What is the best way to make passive income online? And how do you avoid losing time and money in the process? If you're just starting out with making money online and you feel like there's way too many options and gurus and scams out there, stick around to the end of this video and I believe that you will at least feel much closer to finding the answer to the question, what is the best way to make passive income online for you? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. I'm Annie and my channel is about finding you ways to get free through passive income. If that sounds good to you, then click that subscribe button and follow my channel for the best ways to do that. Okay, so let's get right into this one today. Today we're talking about acquisition.com by Alex Hormozi. Acquisition.com, so what is it? There are 2 free trainings, each with several videos talking about the basics of creating a business and scaling that business by creating an irresistible offer to your customers. It's a very informative training with a ton of good information about how to stand out and be successful with any business or offer that you may have. And if you don't have a business or an offer yet to apply this to, then stick around to the end of this video and I will give you my top 2 recommendations so that you can be on your way to that. Okay, so who was acquisition.com created by? And can you trust them? Alex Hormozi is an entrepreneur that makes over $100 million per year, according to his videos. He has started and scaled several different businesses and is passionate about helping small business owners get to a specific goal of $3 million per year. He uses that number specifically several times in his training videos. I think that's his freedom number. He has plenty of experience in starting and scaling businesses and making money online. And the fact that he gives his trainings away for free definitely gives you the sense that he is trustworthy, which I think is his goal, so it works. So what's different about this from every other online video course that you come across? So this training he's actually giving away for free to anyone who is making less than $3 million per year with their business, is what he says. He's just giving this information in these videos away for free. And he only accepts clients to work personally with him if they are already making $3 million per year or more. So his goal is to get you to that number and then you become a paying client of his. So what's included in these videos? There's training videos on where to start, picking the right markets, charging what it's worth for your offer, how to pick the right price, the value equation, which is how to create more value and beat your competition, how to create the perfect offer, how to create urgency in your offer, and naming your products. So in this video, this free video training, those are all the videos that you get. So who is this free video training good for? Literally anyone who wants to learn more about how to be successful in business and creating irresistible offers. Because this is free, there's no risk, and I would say that this would be bad for anyone. It's good quality information. He's a very intelligent, professional, down-to-earth guy. And this is just free, good information that you can get about starting a business or where at least your mindset should be to give you a little bit more basic information and go from there. And who would this not be good for? I can't think of anyone unless you're already making $3 million per year in your business. Okay, so pros, it's free, it's valuable AF. The instructor is down to earth and wildly successful. And the information is just good quality information. I highly recommend taking notes and coming back to it again and again throughout your business journey. Okay, so are there any cons? The only con I can think of is that I wish he had a training course for some kind of online business. Like for people starting out that aren't to that $3 million point yet, what is a good business to start? I wish he had a training course or a recommendation for that. Rather than just general business tips and good information, I wish he actually had some kind of like course or recommendation for you, but I will give that to you at the end. And the cost, obviously the trainings are free. I already said that, unless you want to go to one of Alex's private workshops. He usually holds them in Vegas, or get personal mentorship from someone on Alex's team. He mentions in his videos that the best way to get customers to your offers is to decommoditize your offer, meaning give your customers something for free and then charge them later for mentorship or membership after they feel like they've already received value from you. So that's exactly what he's doing. He's giving this training to you for free. The 2 trainings are free, and then you can choose to pay him and his team to help you personally if you like, or go to one of his events. My final thoughts on this training video is that it's awesome, valuable information about starting your own business online and creating an irresistible offer for people. I definitely took notes, and I'm going to come back to this video and watch it again and again to help me with my own business. And for you, if you're just starting out, this is an epic first place to start. If you're just starting out with like trying to figure out how to build a business online and you haven't spent a ton of money or time yet, and you're just looking for quality information on how to start a business and what the best avenues are, then congratulations, my friend. You are exactly where you need to be. You have lucked out. If this is the video that I had come across first 10 years ago, I could have saved so much time and money and frustration and failure. And if I could talk to myself 10 years ago, I would give myself these steps exactly. So I'm going to give them to you and save you years of time and thousands of wasted dollars. Step 1, click one of the 2 links in the description of this video below, depending on whether you would rather start a high ticket affiliate marketing business, which is one of the easiest and most profitable businesses to start in 2024. Or the other recommendation I will give you is to publish kids' books on Amazon, because these are the 2 easiest and most lucrative online businesses you could start. And these are the 2 most high quality courses you could take from 2 of the most legit instructors there are. Forget the rest. Seriously, go through the entire course, whichever one you pick, and put it into action. Build your business, come back and watch this Alex Hormozi video. Take notes and apply it to your new business. Okay, so if you are ready to start your own online business, here are the 2 easiest and most legit courses I recommend and currently make passive income from every single month. The first one is created by a man and his 10-year-old son. They publish kids' books on Amazon, and they currently make $30,000 a month doing it. They show you how to start this business within 48 hours, and they give you the exact formula. The second one I will link below is how I started my own business. It's showing you step-by-step how to start your own high-ticket affiliate marketing business. You also receive with this exclusive access to their private affiliate program, which currently includes 19 different high-ticket products you can choose from to promote, as well as any other product you choose. They don't limit you. They're not one of those programs that only limits you to sell only their products. They show you how to promote anything, but they also give you an option of promoting 19 different products that they have exclusively for their affiliates, so that it doesn't become oversaturated. You also receive 2 accounts for the price of 1, so that you can do this with a partner or spouse or coworker or friend, which is awesome. And I will link both of these options in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to another review with Get Free with Annie, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or if you liked the video.